Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are wondering whether you can use Perplexity AI without an internet connection, it's important to understand how the platform works and what your options are. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Perplexity AI offline and what's actually possible effectively. Okay, so first thing, understand how Perplexity works. So Perplexity AI uses cloud-based AI models, fetches real-time data from the web, so it needs internet to function fully. So save important threads, for example, before going on offline, open your conversations, okay? Save or bookmark threads, so prepare in advance, take screenshots or export, save information by taking screenshots, copying the text or copying text to notes, okay? Use saved threads, so open Perplexity app, access previously loaded threads. Some may still be visible, okay, because it's just a limited offline access. Use browser cache, so if using browser, recently opened pages may load. Works only if cached, okay? It's not guaranteed, okay? Use alternative offline tools, for example, for offline AI like usage, we have notes apps, saved PDFs, offline documents, okay? You can enable reading mode or save pages, so in browser, save pages for offline reading. Use add to reading list, okay? You can also download important content, so copy useful info, store store it locally. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.